what's going on, cuties? So, I'm laying down, we're hanging out, I've got Instagram on my phone. You know what time it is. I currently have a migraine and I'm also a bit out of my mind on pain meds. But I've pretty much managed to have a migraine every single day this month so far. Yay! But I really wanted to film this video, so I just took a lot of meds and I'm dealing with it. Anyway, you all don't care about that. You're here to see the results of the Microflorals challenge. So that was the theme for last 2 months for Make Thrift Try 5. The theme was Microflorals, but then it kind of just expanded out to florals and botanical kind of theme in general. And this time, I actually made 2 entries myself. I made a cute pinafore dress using, it's like thinner than corduroy. It has a specific name that I can't think of right now. I got this fabric from Okadaya fabric store in Japan, which was a massive, like 6 or 7 floor fabric and sewing supply shop. And I used it for this Tilly and the Buttons Clio pinafore pattern in the long version that has like a little slit in the front. I also made a backpack for my mum using this fabric, the floral fabric here. She actually bought, I think, before I was born, because she had all these maternal intentions of making me some cute clothes out of them. 27 plus years later, I finally used it as for a present for her. There's something poetic about that somewhere there. But now it's time to go through the Make Thrift Try 5 tag and see what all of you have made. I legit get a little bit upset in the best possible way by doing this, by having to choose just a few to showcase. And this isn't just a bit I do, it's legitimately upsetting not being able to show all of you because you're just all so fantastic and I love you all, and everyone who entered, I'm giving you all the biggest hug right now. Unfortunately, I don't have several hours to go through every single entry in detail, which is what I want to do because you're all amazing. So I'm just going to show you some of my favorites, only some of my favorites from this round, and then I'll do what I did last time. At the end, I'll also just put up a whole bunch more that I really love. So let's go through some of these brilliant entries. Now this was posted just a couple of days after I announced the last challenge, so this was done very speedily, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. From some thrifted microfloral fabric comes this beautiful top from Hi, I'm Cheery. The outfit that you've put together with this fabric as well is just perfect as well. You are so adorable. Sabrina Kid has done the most gorgeously detailed embroidery. I actually really love embroidery that makes a shape by leaving the shape they want to show blank. Words are failing me today. Hope you know what I mean. And look at the cute multicolored roses and little bundles of fruit that they've added to this. It's so pretty. Naomi's Closet Creations has made the most gorgeous gorgeous Let's try that again. Naomi's Closet Creations has made the most gorgeous dress here. It really gives me like Reformation vibes. And this is an upcycle. Okay, so check out the dress that they upcycled. They turned this into this. You're a wizard. I went window shopping recently at my local mall and these type of dresses were just everywhere, so you are very on trend with this dress. So it looks like how they upcycled it was that they added elastic around the sleeves, maybe around the neckline too, possibly added some extra shirring under the bust, shortened it of course, and added a ruffle along the bottom, which when you think about it is actually a pretty simple upcycle, but it works so effectively. It was just done so well. Amazing. I'm loving these vintage style shorts from Kerberos Cosplay. The pleating and the buttons is so good, along with the vibrant color of the shorts just really makes them pop. These are so pretty. This is the most adorable thing ever. Matching outfit from Chaos by K and their daughter who is 4 years old and is very rich. You two are adorable. And I love the addition of this satin blue ribbon around the seams of this outfit. Matchy Matchy is my favorite! Now this is something a little different. This is a little portable floral travel case with these super cute cutlery pieces from Starlight Ballad. This is a great eco-friendly project. They made it so they can bring utensils and stuff with them to picnics and use less plastic disposable ones. I love the vintage button they've used for the closure, and I mean, honestly, this is just peak granny chic. I love how that rhymed. Linoleum Roses has made the most gorgeous floral overalls here. Plus, I love their pride in their work. They've written, "They're my crowning achievement. I'll be buried in these." I mean, they are incredible. They have their dog in the photo with them. They're made from upholstery scrap fabric, and this is all around fantastic. Granny chic all dang week. A significant proportion of you have made things out of old floral upholstery that looks like it was from your granny's couch, and I am here for it. Okay, we're definitely moving away from the microflorals, and this is more the maxi florals. But hey, I did say we could just do botanical theme in general, and I adore this poppy print fabric and the style of the dress too. It's got such a good vintage vibe to it. You almost look like you could blend in with some 70s wallpaper there. It's so good. And if you thought that florals was a little bit colorful and frilly for you, it doesn't have to be. As Alicia Alizé is showing here, they have made a matching crop bralette top and short set out of this really pretty fabric, which really just elevates this whole design to a new level. If this was just made out of plain fabric, I don't think it would be nearly as interesting, but with the subtle floral print in there, it just makes it such a cool, eye-catching two-piece set. I love seeing people getting inspired to do a whole range of things. This person has upcycled their bar stools by making a bunch of cute floral printed cushions for them with a piece of fabric they found at the thrift store and all these buttons in the middle. I don't think we've ever had chair cushions here on Make Thrift Try yet, so this is really cool to see. Ow, my arms are hurting. I've basically been sick with a virus for a month as well as having migraines all month, so my body's just not happening right now. Ugh. All right, this upcycle is amazing. You ready for this? Frogo Battens found some, oh my God, actual granny makeover. They found these pants that are like, I'm pretty sure they're velour in their grandmother's closet, and look what they turned it into. Amazing. They turned it into this gorgeous princess style top and then added just a touch of floral embroidery, and the waist of the pants became the bottom of the top. I guess it's still a waistband. This is just so inventive. I love it. And I love how poofy the sleeves were able to become because I guess you had a lot of fabric from the pants there. I have a question. Did your grandma know you were looking through her closet to take things from it? Okay, if you don't already follow Baloo Bear, actually never said that out loud, hope that's how it's pronounced. If you don't follow them on Instagram, you should. They do the most amazing upcycles. But they did this upcycle for my Make Thrift Try 5 challenge, turning this very early 2000s floral dress on the left here into this extremely on-trend crop top. I love the sleeves, I love the, what's it called when you, the gathering at the bust, and I love the tie in the middle. It looks amazing, and I love how you've styled it as well. Incredible. Rosary Apparel has made themselves this really adorable dress out of microfloral fabric. I really love the subtle puffiness of the sleeve that is tied off literally with this bow on the cuff. Just some really nice details in this piece. Also, they have a handmade store which has really cute pieces in it. So, by the way, not sponsored at all. I just think you should go check them out. This upcycle is really cool. Okay, so this is a pair of pants. I think they're children's pants. They've taken a lot of photos of their process, which I really love. It's become these adorable overalls with little floral accents and then this super cute little patch in the middle. It's so cute. And an amazing use of fabric to go from that to this. Like, it barely looks like you lost any fabric at all. I love this top that Tiny Sparrows made. You might remember them from one of the first challenges for making this top here. Well, they've done it again and they've made this two-toned floral top. I love how the prints aren't exactly the same, but they really complement each other well. You are an amazing designer. You have a great eye for color. I would never think to put those two things together. But now that I've seen you done it, I'm like, it's almost obvious. It's such a great piece. I want to keep going, but my arms are getting so tired from holding up my phone and my throat's really hurting. My body's really working right now, as you can see. Shout out to anyone else who is also exhausted from a chronic illness watching YouTube videos in bed. But before I leave, we need to talk about the next challenge, which will be Make Thrift Try number 6. Now, I actually asked on Instagram if any of you had suggestions for the next theme, because I couldn't think of any. And y'all had some great suggestions. So here are the ones that are going up to vote. Halloween is the first theme that you can vote on. Now, I don't celebrate Halloween, so I assume that more people out there also do not. So if this one does win, I will put up a secondary theme as well for everyone else who doesn't celebrate Halloween. But seeing as I know a lot of you do, I think this is a really good one. The second suggestion comes from Frida96, which is nautical. That includes sailor style, anything sailorish, but also sea creature inspired, which I think could be a really interesting theme. And then Erin Kearns also had an interesting suggestion. They suggested opposites, combining two totally different styles, for example, leather and lace. And then a lot of you sent in the suggestion of metallics. So apparently they're trendy right now. A lot of you want to see metallics, including fabrics, threads, yarns, little pop of metallic or an all over metallic outfit or item. And the final one that you can vote on is fabric scraps, so using up all of your different scraps from other projects. A lot of you suggested this one as well, and it would also lend itself well to like patchwork style items as well. So those are the 5 potential themes for the next 2 months of challenge. You can vote for them now using the eye in the corner of this video. I'll be showing a lot more of my favorites at the end of the video, so stick around. But
It's ripped at the crotch.
what's that?
It's me, and someone needs my help.
Oh, darn it. My pants are ripped at the crotch.
Don't worry. Are you okay? Are you breathing? How many fingers am I holding up? It's okay. This will be alright.
I'm fine. I just have a little rip in the crotch of my pants.
Yes.
Oh. Blue ones.
This crotch rip looks like the work of that evil overlord, Redavnia. Alright, I'll get to work. Now, have you heard about Skillshare? Skillshare is an online learning community where you can access thousands of classes covering creative and entrepreneurial skills from graphic design, illustration, animation, photography, app design, fashion design and sewing, fine art, film, web design, social media, video production, and more, which you can learn from your own home at your own pace. A great original course is this Animation for Illustration course by Heather Seidel, which teaches you to create original GIFs from illustration, helping you to up your illustration game, opening up a whole new world of creative avenues for illustration. And because I'm chaotic good, unlike Redavnia, I've got your first 2 months of Skillshare covered. That's right, if you sign up with the link below, found in the description box, you can get 2 months of Skillshare entirely for free. Just use my link.
Why are you telling me this?
So you can fix your own dang pants next time. Now, I must be off. I have to defeat the dastardly Redavnia from completing her evil plans. Sign up for Skillshare. Sign up for Skillshare.
Thanks, Super Sewist!
Do go check out the Make Thrift Try 5 tag to see all the entries for the Microflorals and Botanical theme, because this still isn't all of them. Keep supporting each other in the comments. I love this little community. It's so wholesome and supportive. I can't wait to see what you decide on for Make Thrift Try 6 and what you all come up with. See you all in my next video, which will hopefully be a sewing tutorial if my migraines stop. And in the meantime, stay crafty. Bye!
Wow. Thanks.
Wow.
Sewist.
Wow. Should I be like Owen Wilson? Wow.
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 Wow. Thanks, Super Sewist.
Oh great, it started raining heavily just as I start filming. I'm recording a video, but I'm gonna go. There's nothing important. Y'all, I just dropped my computer. It is not going well.